Oi, oi, so what's going on here? You're through to Oily Works. I'm the Baldy Brit Bloke and this is my YouTube channel. Behind me, you see Audrey Hepvan. She is a Honda Odyssey RB1 platform JDM import. And over here is Fiona. She is my Fiesta ST rebuild. This is not the usual video you'll see on the Oily Works YouTube channel, but rather a peek at what you'll see posted on the Instagram account. Link is down below, as well as links to other videos that I've posted on this channel. I post one of these little micro vlogs every week just to update everyone on what's going on in the Oily Works garage. Take a few minutes of your time to watch it. Appreciate it very much. Hang about and I'll see you soon. Toodle pip. Oi oi! What's your blokes and blokettes? Hope you've all had a good week and are having a cracking weekend. Just a regular update on the Oily Works stable. Nothing much new in the camp, unfortunately. Had to reschedule the front bib, clear bib that's going on Audrey. And the company that I'm using up here in Ancaster, they'd had oh, there's that sexy Japanese girl. The company that I'm using up here in Ancaster, they'd had a project run over, so I had to reschedule. But it's hopefully this week. Wheels for Fiona. Still no sign on them. Come on, guys. No, they've had some problems with the COVID shutdown, and they're hoping to get them back to me this week. You've heard that 3 or 4 times before, haven't you? YouTube, if you're not already subscribed, please jump up there. Hit the link and go over to my YouTube channel and subscribe there on the Oily Works YouTube channel. Appreciate that very much. Colleen, nothing much happening on Colleen. Abby is in about 1,000 pieces. Damage to the engine was a little bit worse than anticipated. There's some slight scoring on the actual block itself, so that's going to have to go in to be checked. Sounds expensive, but I'm sure it'll be okay. Once I've finished talking, I'll show you what I've been doing on Abby's radiator surround. Completed that. It was a flipping nightmare. Finicky nibbling, checking, nibbling, checking. So I didn't want to alter the look of it too much from what it is factory, but I'm there now. So I'm going to shut up talking. I'm going to show you out the girls. Come with me. She is such a looker, isn't she? Absolutely fabulous car. I am so happy with her. Look at that ass. And here's Fiona. Okay. This is what I've been doing on her, on Abby's front radiator. Chopped all around there, all along here. Slimmed this little cross member down, plastic cross member. Got a bit thicker this side. It doesn't look a lot, but I've also had to chop out all of this so the air conditioning pipes can go back into the condenser there. It was such a lot of work for such a small transformation, but the clips locate there nicely now. They're all clipped in and she is ready to go back. So I'm going to say bye for this week. Thank you to everyone that's following me and liking. I'm having some problems with the Instagram account at the moment. They have basically closed me down, but I'm still able to post, and I've appealed it because there's been no breach of their terms and conditions, so I'm not too sure what's happening. Stay tuned. I hope to have some progress on Audrey this week, and Fiona, not Abby. That's going to take a couple of weeks. See you soon. Toodle pip.